हेलो गाइस, मैं आपका होस्ट प्रभात शर्मा एट द चैनल राइड विद डॉक्टर SMP आ गया हूँ आप सबके साथ में एक और अनोखी राइड को शेयर करने। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, मेरा जो प्राइम राइडिंग है वो है हमारी 310 RR वगैरह, और जिसको हम पिछले 30 साल से चला रहे हैं वो राइड अभी हमारी ये चल रही है। इसी के साथ जिस ट्रैक पे हम कर रहे हैं, दिस इज़ नॉट एनी ऑर्डिनरी ट्रैक, दिस इज़ पर्टिकुलरली विद कहते हैं इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड स्पेसिफिकेशन, इज़ मेंट फॉर स्पीड स्केटिंग। स्पीड स्केटिंग क्या होता है? इट्स अ फॉर्म ऑफ यू कैन से एथलेटिक पार्ट ऑफ दिस गेम बेसिकली, जिसमें जैसे हम एथलेटिक्स में 100 मीटर, 200 मीटर, 500 मीटर्स रेसेस होती हैं, 400 मीटर्स, 800, इसमें भी ऐसी रहती हैं। बट इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ टेक्निकल स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड, अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग, राइट प्रोसेस, राइट कोच, राइट इक्विपमेंट, ओके, राइट रूटीन, राइट डाइट, एवरीथिंग। अगर ज़रा सा भी इधर उधर होता है तो इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक यूर राइडिंग अ व्हीकल। फूटते हैं तो अच्छे से फूटते हैं। तो ये कहते हैं ना, सिखाने का काम भी नौसिखियों का नहीं है। और जो लोग इसमें एडवांस स्किल्स पे वर्क करते हैं, दे आर वेरी लिमिटेड। प्लस अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ सच काइंड ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दैट इज़ ऑल्सो particularly in Delhi NCR is very low. There are only 2 to 3 tracks nearby in the NCR, 3-4 tracks you can say. One is in Noida, 2 tracks are in Gurgaon, one was in Faridabad, that is done, it's no more left, and one is in Bhavana. One is in Bhavana. Then there is one more shorter track that was also situated in Bhavana, but we don't have, even if this infrastructure is present, they are not made with the particular specifications. If you talk about this track where I'm doing, this one is having each and everything specifically meant for speed skating. I'm also here to feel this surface, because I was here for my motor vlogging in the morning, so I was nearby and thought to put my skates, because I keep both of the things always with me. I carry my skates with me even if I am riding Bagheera, no matter which state, which place I am going. My skates are, you can say my childhood buddy. Bagheera came just a few years back. So here, as you can see, I am taking laps, but it is taking toll from me also. Oh, these techniques are also, very difficult. See, I am also drained, because one, I have been riding Bagheera since morning. It's the same kind of exercise that I am doing here, because riding her is no easy task. When you brake, you need power to keep yourself on the bike. सांस चढ़ गई. It's not like I'm getting old. It happens. This is all about, endurance. If I do on road, I don't feel like this, because here the pressure comes from crossovers. After every straight there is a corner where you have to change your stance and at that part you have to be very agile. You have to keep your body as low as possible with very quick agile push, movement, agility. Everything needs to be precise, and this you can reach only after very good amount of training from a very good reputed coach who knows about the game, who has experience of doing this sport personally. This is how I have learned to train my students. I have been working with special children, people with special needs, para athletes with physical disabilities, like they have short of limb or anything. See, I never refuse anyone to not do skating. I'm always motivating everyone, because this particular sport is not meant for age limitation. From 2 to 3 plus you can start, and then there is no age limit. I have seen people, person with the age of 68, 72, the person who used to teach us, who brought skating in India, he used to do skating even at the age of 78. Though he's no more in this world, he was from Argentina. He gave everything he could for this country, established this sport. All the earlier senior coaches were, you can say, trained by him. He was a genius. He could, teach you everything on the paper itself, and you will be doing that, and alone itself you will be becoming your own coach. So it's just like that. I have also learned that way. My mentors gave me the opportunity to receive knowledge, and even today, if I'm 35, I still do skating, and I will not leave doing skating. This is what my world is. Welcome to my kingdom. This is where I have grown, running on my wheels. Yes, we don't call it running, we say it flying on the wheels. Okay, there are so many instances when the skater is actually flying. See, if I make a push, my skates keep sliding. My skates will keep sliding. See, I'll show you. See, I ran for that stretch, and now this stretch will be cleared on its own. That's how the mechanism is working. You got it? Then there are more techniques, so many skills that you would require to hone up and to reach to that level like I am doing. But there are more skaters out there who have much higher skill, much higher capacity than me, what I am doing. That I will show you in the coming vlog, because right now it's afternoon. I was here for some short work, and then I decided to shoot this short vlog, which will be uploaded on both of my channels, Prabhat Sharma SMP and Ride with Dr. SMP. After that, once I will take that second vlog of this particular sport, and those who are much more expert in skills at present, because I was not doing skating for last whole year. I met with an accident, though I have recovered now and my skills are very much there, but it takes a lot of effort to reach back to that level. I'm trying my best, because I'm going in the national championship starting from 4th of December. My events are on 9th to 11th. though I am very much prepared because my event is going to be on the road, and that surface is something I have been doing since I wore the skate for the first time. जब मैंने सबसे पहली बार स्केट पहना था तो मैंने रोड पे ही चलाया था. So it's no big deal. I love this sport more than my life. This sport means everything, and whatever I am doing is always connected with this sport. And it's not just ordinary sport, it's a very extraordinary sport which only few that are chosen, dedicated, deserving, and self-motivated, self-rule created, high dedication. Or you cannot move back, you simply cannot back off. If you back off, your sport ends that time, because each and every skater who is running in the race is putting their 100%, not just 100%, more than that effort in their event. And after that, if someone is losing, other person is winning, that's a big deal. Okay guys, so this was a continuous shot. See, I haven't taken any break or any cut scene. It's just that I want to make things as natural as possible, with reality, with, you can say, justification, with logic. And if there is no logic, then what is the justification? Nothing. That's how things are going to be. And I'm here in Baliawas shooting my vlog regarding speed skating, and I take your leave. Thank you for tuning in, and please, if you like the content, give it a like and thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, because your support is very much needed. Without your support, I cannot make these kind of content, and your support gives me that ultimate motivation to keep continuing making these vlogs and content that will be giving you some more benefits, knowledge about this sport and many other sports, because my professional field is very different. Particularly I am in roller sports as a professional coach, national team coach for Special Olympic, for people with special needs and para athletes, and with that I train professional bodybuilders, and there are many more things, because I design clinical exercises and all. That's my particular part. So that's all for today. I will not be going any further. Thank you guys, thank you for tuning in.